Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speakayou. My name is Tania. You're watching this series of lessons to be all you need to know. In this series, we're going to explore some very important and useful English expressions with the verb to be. And guess what? We're even going to take it a step further by adding prepositions to change their meaning. So let's dive in and master these phrases together. In the first lesson, we will talk about be in. So when something or someone is in, they are inside. I'm in the house. I'm inside the house. He's in his room doing homework. He's inside his room. Or imagine your friends and you agreed to meet at the restaurant. Then your phone rings. Hey, I'm running late. Where are you? Are you in? Are you inside the restaurant? Yeah, I'm in. Don't rush. I'll be waiting for you at the bar. Yes, I'm in. I'm inside the restaurant. Also, when someone is in, they are present and available. For example, Mr. Jenkins is in and ready to see you. Mr. Jenkins is available. He's present and available to see you. Or, excuse me, is the doctor in? I'm afraid not. You'll have to wait for 15 minutes. So it's like you're asking, is the doctor present and available to see me? And of course, if we make it negative, that means that someone is not present and is not available. Like, the doctor isn't in. To be in also means to be interested and ready to join the proposed activity. For example, we're going to Italy. Wanna come? You kidding? I'm in. Like, yeah, I wanna join. Or, hey, who's in for pizza after work tonight? I'm in. Like, who wants to join for pizza after work? And yeah, I wanna join. Next one is be in on. Be in on. And it means to be involved in something, usually a plan or a secret. Like planning an event or even just knowing that this event is being planned. Are you in on the surprise party? Are you involved in planning, or maybe you just know that this party is going to happen? Next one is to be in for. To be in for. And it means to be going to experience something unpleasant. For example, the weather forecast says we are in for heavy rains for the next week. So we are warned that we are going to experience this unpleasant weather the whole next week. Or when you decide to help with gardening, and you usually do expect a lot of hard work, you may say, oof, we're in for a hard day in the garden, right? It's like we are going to experience this unpleasant work. It's particularly unpleasant for me because I don't like gardening. But be aware of an expression, be in for a treat. It's a set expression, you have to remember that. Be in for a treat. It means to be guaranteed or receive something unexpectedly pleasant or beneficial. For example, if you haven't tried thermal baths in Budapest, you're in for a treat. Like, you are guaranteed to experience pleasure. And that's 100% true. And the last one is be in with. Be in with. It means to be or become popular or friends with someone. For example, it's not fair that she got the job just because she is in with the CEO. She's friends with the CEO, so that's why she got promoted, which is not fair. Or if you want tickets to the concert, ask Mike. He is in with the organizers. Like, he is friendly with the organizers. He's friends with the organizers. All right, are you in for some practice? Your task is to read the dialogues and fill in the gaps with the preposition that is needed. So the first one. I'm in with the organizers. I'm friends with the organizers. I mean with the organizers. Number two. Absolutely, I'm in. Yeah, I want to join. The next one, number three. We are organizing a surprise party for Sarah. Are you in on it? The next one. That's an easy one. I'm in the library. I'm inside the library. I'm in the library. The next one. Yes, he's in. Yes, he's in. He's present and available, ready to see you. He's in. And the last one. Oh, no, we're in for a long work day. We're in for a long work day. I'm sure that you did well. Good job. And I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, like it, subscribe, share it with a friend or a family member. But that's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.